everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Sona and I'm back with an amazing video for you all. Today's video is a mini Amazon haul. So मैंने क्या किया, थोड़े प्रोडक्ट्स खरीदे Amazon से, like I think last week, and I have all of them with me. So मैंने सोचा उसका एक छोटा सा मिनी हॉल कर लेती हूँ. like मैंने जो खरीदा, अगर वो चीज़ आपको अच्छी लगती है तो you guys can also buy them. And yeah, so before starting the video, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe my channel. And if you really like this video, then don't forget to like the video, share the video, and comment on the video. So now let's start the video. Okay guys, so the first product is, so I bought a serum from Amazon. Okay, so मैंने ऑर्डर कराया क्योंकि मैं बहुत टाइम से कोई अच्छा सीरम ढूंढ रही थी एंड आई वाज लाइक मुझे ऐसा चाहिए था जो थोड़ा बजट में भी हो. सो आई फाउंड दिस वन ऑन Amazon. This one is from Charmish and it's a deep radiance one. It has vitamin C, hyaluronic acid, and it has salicylic acid also. So it says that it hydrates your skin and you know, it penetrates deep into the skin and it's non-sticky and it's a quick absorbing serum. So I think that was something जब मैंने ये सब पढ़ा तो I thought I should try this one. So मैंने इसलिए ये order करवाया and this is just for, I think the MRP of this is 210 rupees. I think I got it for 170 rupees. Yes, okay. I pretty much like the packaging. It's so beautiful. Now the color combination, and it was like, it is very attractive. So let's open it now. So this is the product inside the box and it's a beautiful bottle and it's a pump bottle. I think this one is around 30 ml. So it's a 30 ml bottle and it's pretty good, you know, at the price. Okay, so next is this Vega straightener. Let me open this one. It's a beautiful color. It has pink ceramic plates and whole black from outside. And I loved this one, you know, lock and unlock system in this straightener. Yeah, this one is pretty good. Like ये बहुत अच्छा काम करता है आपके बालों में. And if you are looking for something in your budget, you can surely go for this one. So this one I got for, I think, 700 rupees. Yes, and the original price is 1099. So I think this one is a pretty good deal, and if you are looking for some good straightener, you can definitely go for this one. So the third one is this Lakme lipstick. It's a 925 lipstick and it's a weightless matte lip and cheek color. You can use this one on your lips and your cheek also. So pretty good deal. So this is how it looks, the packaging. I was looking for something in nude and plus, you know, reddish brown together, something like that, and I found this one. So I thought this one is a good one because मुझे थोड़ा dark shade चाहिए था. So मैं इसका shade आपको दिखाती हूँ. Let's see. It's a beautiful dark, you know, like brick color. And you can use this one on your cheeks also. So बहुत ही useful है. And the MRP of this one is 500 something. Yes, I think I got it around 400 something. Yes, so I mean, इससे अच्छा क्या हो सकता है कि ब्लश का काम भी कर रहे हैं, आपकी लिपस्टिक का भी काम कर रहे हैं. So yeah, it's a pretty good deal. So do try this one if you're looking for something, a good quality lipstick, and that too you need a cheek and lip color both. So you can go for this one for sure. So moving on to next product. So I got this Blue Heaven finishing powder. So this is a loose powder and a very good one. I have heard a lot about this one, so I thought I would purchase this one, and it's under budget. It's around 100 rupees. Yeah, the MRP is 125 rupees, but I got it for 100 rupees. So that is a pretty good deal. It says that it's a long-lasting HD makeup, lightweight and shine control, and a long stay one. So I got shade blush, and I have never tried this one also, so ये भी मेरे लिए नया है, and I would love to try this one, and they would definitely share the review with you all because I think Blue Heaven काफ़ी budget friendly products बनाता है and they do pretty good job also. Next I got a moisturizer for my face. Okay, so I was looking for a good moisturizer like since a long time. मैंने बहुत सारे moisturizer already try कर चुके हैं. My skin is a little bit, you know, oily in a T-zone and rest it is dry. I have tried a lot of moisturizers and again I experimented. So I bought this new moisturizer. This is from Aroma Magic one. ये मैंने थोड़ा बहुत use भी कर लिया है because मुझे अच्छा लगा. You know, this one, this is how it looks. सो एक वीक हो चुका है मुझे इसे यूज़ करते करते एंड आई एम लविंग दिस वन. इट इज़ अ वेरी गुड मॉइस्चराइजर एंड मैं एक वीक से इसे यूज़ कर रही हूँ. एंड इफ़ यू गाइज आर लुकिंग फॉर सम गुड मॉइस्चराइजर यू कैन डेफिनेटली go for this one, but this one is mainly, you know, for oily skin one. This is the oil free moisturizer and it restores skin and lighten blemishes also, so very good one. The original price of this one is 330 rupees and I got it around 240 rupees, so I got a pretty good discount for this one, so I bought it. So now I have my last product with me. Okay, so ये last वाला है, इसके बाद there's nothing and the last is the best one I think because ये है nude का palette. Okay, so I was looking for a good palette since a long time, like कुछ ऐसा जिसमें glittery shades भी हो and थोड़े nude shades भी हो and light shades भी हो. So ये है, like इसमें वो सब है. So when I saw this one on Amazon I thought I need this one because I love to create eye looks and you know, different makeup looks, so I thought this one is going to go perfect. And the colors, I mean, I love these colors guys. You can see इसमें shimmery shades है. This is red, then this is a pink one, this is a golden one, this is a purple sparkle one, glittery one. So ये बहुत प्यारे शेड्स हैं and मैं इनसे और भी अच्छे आई लुक क्रिएट कर सकती हूँ and I'll definitely try. So yeah, if you want something like this one, so you can definitely go for this. Okay guys, so that's all for today's video. मैंने आपको जो भी मैंने खरीदा था, I think there were around 6 products. Yes, तो जो भी मैंने मंगाया था मैंने आप सब लोग को दिखाया. And अगर आपको अच्छा लगा या कुछ भी खरीदना है तो you guys can also buy them. अगर आप लोगों को वीडियो अच्छी लगी then you know what you have to do. Please like my video, share the video and comment on the video. Also don't forget to subscribe my channel and press that bell icon because you will be getting notifications whenever I post a new video. That's all for today's video. I'm going to see you again with next interesting video. Till the time, take care, bye bye and see you.